To install the WeatherTech BumperTopper on your vehicle, start by making sure that you have all of the necessary items needed for installation. With your installation, you should have received the bumper topper and alcohol prep pads. You will also need car wash supplies, a clean towel, and masking tape. Begin by washing the rear bumper of your vehicle and dry with a clean cloth. It is important that the bumper is completely dry and free of any dirt and debris. Center the bumper topper on the bumper using the character lines of the bumper, as well as the center indication mark on the bumper topper to help with proper placement. Use masking tape to outline the bumper topper on the bumper. Then, remove the bumper topper from the bumper and set it aside for later. Using the provided alcohol pads, clean the entire masked-off area of the bumper. Let it dry completely. Prepare the bumper topper for installation by peeling back the tape liner from each section on the back side of the bumper topper just far enough to create pull tabs. Then, carefully place the bumper topper back into position, centered on your vehicle's bumper. To remove the tape, grasp the exposed portion of the tape liner and pull gently with one hand while applying light, even pressure to the bumper topper with the opposite hand. Repeat this step until all of the tape has been removed. Use the palm of your hand to press down firmly along all the taped edges to ensure proper adhesion, applying pressure from the center out. Congratulations! Your WeatherTech bumper topper is now installed.